Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Com and this is City Skylines. This is the 5th episode from our city of Compton and I'm standing here at the harbor. As you can see, there are already some trucks loading and unloading here, and that's because I've already recorded the time lapse for this episode, and I can't show you now what I did because that would be stupid. So I can't turn the camera right now, but I hope you don't mind, and yeah, let's start the time lapse. welcome back here in the real-time part. So, this is what I've built and I want to show you some things. You may have noticed this time-lapse was not so long as usual. They're about 10 to 13 minutes and this is a bit shorter. But that's because this is just a sort of a filler episode because I wanted to have that done. And I already don't have uh, so much time to record right now. But next week I'll have plenty of time. So I want to show you some things. This here is a plaza. You may have guessed it. What's called? It's the new central square, and you may have noticed those pillars, and I found them on the workshop and I found them quite interesting, and I wanted to put them here because I thought this would be like a 90s or early 2000s place with modern things, and these trucks don't behave like they should, but yes, basically with modern things, and so I put them there as sort of a um, what did I want to say? Yes, they are sort of a modern art project here on the square that failed, obviously, because I don't know any modern art project that didn't fail as an architectural project. So I put them there, and I think they look quite funny. So I've made two big districts, one being the Sycamore City. This should be a sort of a town for workers, but the buildings are too good, too high. The value of land is too big here, and I have already downloaded the mod to fix that, but I didn't do it. And it seems that I didn't activate it, so yes, that's this. And here's a train line. I continued it, and with a small station here and a plaza. I didn't make that because as already said, I don't have enough time, so I'll do that probably off camera and show you the result next time. And here is the other district, which is an industrial sector here near the harbor and all the train lines. And I wanted to have an industrial sector here, and as you can see, this is not everything. We can expand this sector very good, and yeah, that's basically it. I've made two railway stations here for cargo to distribute the cargo better if this whole place gets bigger. And here I made a power plant because these how are they called, these wind things there, they are I want to remove them because they don't look very nice there. And so I made this power plant, and as you can see, I didn't just make it because I had to, but I tried to let it look realistically, and so I added these things, the power substations, and some other detail and some, I don't know. And I didn't plant any bushes here, and I still have to do this thing. But I've looked some nuclear power stations up, and there aren't any bushes or trees nearby, so I did not have them there. Yes, English. And I just noticed that this is a nuclear power station, and normally a nuclear power station needs lots of water, and there isn't anything to distribute water to this place right here. So I'll do something about this. Maybe I can do it right now. Why not? With these new canals here. Oh, they're quite big. So here, and then I'll do that up all the way to there, and I haven't purchased this part of town, so I'll just for the moment will do this. So, and then the water can flow. So voila. No overflow, please. It's just a canal, and there's no exit. So I'll just make one, but the highway has to go for that. Sorry. Here it is, and I'll just. Oh no, there's a lake. I don't want to mess lakes up. So I'll do something with this canal here in the future. Oh no, the highway has to be connected, because otherwise there will be a bit of trouble. Where is the highway? Here. And a small bridge. So this must go like this. So, very gentle. I don't have road anarchy, but I'll look if when I get the problem with these structures, I'll going to download road anarchy. But now this must be good. So then there's the water. And the power plant now has sort of a connection to the water. Just let me do this right now. I've heard you can do this. So, very good. Maybe there's a smaller one. I thought I had one. Maybe here. No. I've just got the bigger water pump station. So, like this, and pipe. Very good. So maybe I should turn this off, because it wants quite a lot of water. And so now we have a canal. Very good. So this is what I wanted to do this time. Next time I'll try to make what do you want to make? Maybe this district, or if I feel so, the park. But I'm afraid of doing the park, because it's quite a lot to do, and you have to place everything by hand, and there are no normal buildings you can put there. Yes, that might be a problem. So, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then you can press the like button, and if you want to see more of me, then you can subscribe. That would help me a lot. Thank you very much and goodbye.